Welcome to the Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating realms of different professions. Today, we're delving into the intricate world of medical billing. Have you ever wondered how healthcare providers manage their finances and navigate the complex landscape of medical billing? Stick around as we unveil the secrets behind this crucial profession. Medical billing is a critical component of the healthcare ecosystem, serving as the bridge between healthcare providers and payers. Efficient medical billing ensures that healthcare providers are compensated for the services they render, allowing them to sustain their operations and deliver quality care. Without effective billing practices, healthcare organizations would struggle to maintain financial viability, potentially jeopardizing patient care and the overall stability of the healthcare system. Let's see some important key responsibilities of medical billing professionals. Patient information management. Medical billing professionals are responsible for accurately capturing and maintaining patient demographic and insurance information. This includes verifying insurance coverage, updating patient records, and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations like the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. Coding and documentation. Medical billing professionals use a standardized system of codes, such as Current Procedural Terminology, CPT, and International Classification of Diseases, ICD, to translate medical procedures and diagnoses into universally understood codes. Accurate coding is essential for proper reimbursement and compliance with regulatory requirements. Claim preparation and submission. Once procedures and diagnoses are coded, medical billing professionals compile this information into claims that are submitted to insurance companies for reimbursement. This process involves attention to detail and adherence to specific billing guidelines to maximize the chances of claim approval. Follow-up on claims. Medical billing professionals monitor the status of submitted claims, following up with insurance companies to resolve any issues or discrepancies. This may involve providing additional information, appealing denials, or addressing any questions raised by payers. In addition to dealing with insurance companies, medical billing professionals also interact with patients to explain billing statements, answer queries, and facilitate payment arrangements. Effective communication is crucial for maintaining positive patient-provider relationships. Let's see the required skills and qualifications for this profession. Attention to detail. Precision is paramount in medical billing. Small errors in coding or data entry can lead to claim denials or delayed payments. Knowledge of healthcare regulations. Medical billing professionals must stay informed about healthcare regulations, coding updates, and payer policies to ensure compliance and accurate billing. Technical proficiency. Familiarity with billing software, electronic health records, EHRs, and other relevant technologies is essential for efficiency in the billing process. Communication skills. Effective communication is crucial when dealing with both insurance companies and patients. Clear and concise communication helps in resolving issues and ensuring timely payments. Problem-solving abilities. Medical billing professionals often encounter challenges such as claim denials or billing discrepancies. Strong problem-solving skills are necessary to address these issues and prevent future occurrences. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you learned a new healthcare profession today. If you want to find out more information and get online consultations about these jobs and other similar jobs in the healthcare sector and how to pursue them, please do contact us through WhatsApp at +94 76 911-1820 for further assistance. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our channel with all your friends to share this knowledge. Also, like our videos and provide your valuable comments. These will show your support to us. Thank you all.